What do you see? Nothing? Try again. Still nothing? Well, let us bring you to our perspective, the Aneka Gas perspective. It's a simple but precious matter, a mixture of atoms and electrons. It's gas. It may be something so basic that you wouldn't even think about it. But this raw, magnificent matter is a gift from Mother Nature. It's the core of everything you see in your surroundings. And all of the journey begins right here. Sit back and we'll bring you to where it all happens. Now, let's get back to this room and see what this gas can create. For example, this glass, this light bulb, even this microchip inside your laptop, or the other millions of things made for everyday life. Wait, oh yes, even this rocket. Indeed, all the different elements of gas are needed to build this rocket. And it all starts with this humble invention. It begins 100 years ago, back when nobody sees the potential in this. It was there we had a vision to utilize natural resources for the benefit of life. Along those 2 years, AGII was acquired back to the homeland and managed under Harsono's family, which made AGII a private, domestically owned company. A 100-year journey authenticates the maturity of our company in facing challenges and changes through the different eras. Our values and strategies in every aspect of the organization have proven capable to improve competitiveness and lead AGII through fierce industrial competition. We are committed to focus on human capital development. Through teamwork and dedication from all the people in AGII, we aim to become a company that continuously grows and expands. And here we are in 2016, with more than 44 plants and 80 filling stations in 22 provinces across Indonesia. A reliable and trustworthy industrial gas supplier with the largest and widest network. Evolving to an international standardized corporation. Shifting forward with the same values to make life better.
Sudah 100 tahun PT Aneka Gas Industri berkontribusi dalam pertumbuhan ekonomi Indonesia. Kami berkomitmen untuk melakukan inovasi yang berkelanjutan, serta mengembangkan sumber daya manusia yang berkualitas dalam menyambut peluang di masa depan. Kami selalu memberikan yang terbaik dengan berbagai produk dan layanan gas industri untuk menopang berbagai sektor industri dalam negeri maupun untuk bersaing di pasar global. Dengan visi dan semangat merah putih, kami bertekad untuk terus tumbuh dan berkembang dalam menggunakan sumber daya alam untuk manfaat kehidupan yang lebih baik.
Imagine automotive, when we can spin the wheel of industry in Indonesia faster than ever. Imagine the infrastructure, where we can provide and cater all the needs to embrace the possibilities, building bridges to a better future. And finally, imagine the medical, where we can help more people through better health. Because at the end, we believe everyone, everywhere, deserves equal health treatment.
Imagine if we can make life better together.